Harpreet Singh Gill. I'm at Glenwood Sikh Temple in Glenwood. We have recently renovated our old kitchen and extended a new one. And Sydney Epoxy Flooring, they have done a beautiful flooring for us. We are very satisfied with their work, and the way they work with the client is marvelous. We are very happy and very satisfied, and recommend them to all of the other peoples. Whoever want their work, they can contact them. They are trustworthy and very experienced. Thank you.